To start, let's try 90-second reset. You don't need a louder light to hear your soul. You need a quieter inside. Breathe in softly through your nose and let a longer breath leave your mouth. Notice your jaw soften. That's how the soul voice speaks. Steady, simple, kind. In mind versus soul, the mind noise, rushes, pushes, and self fear. A quick tap. After one longer exhale, do your word get simpler? If yes, you are closer to soul. Two tiny skin at work, the mind says, fix everything now. The soul says, one honest step today. In relationship, the mind says, say nothing or explode. The soul says, kind and clear in one sentence. Whisper the pin energy 3 times with me. This is your 90-second breathwork anchor. Relax, calm, peace. Relax, calm, peace. Relax, calm, peace. Now ask quietly, what's one honest step I can take today? Keep the simple answer. Save this reset. The full guide continues on YouTube Soul Voice Energy. Welcome back. Here's how we will keep this practical. We train, we train soul voice, guided soul energy. We train soul voice, guide soul energy, and move with calm inner guidance. Notice first, believe later. Let's draw a clean line. The soul voice is steady and simple. The mind is urgent and complicated. Your body tells the truth. When it's so, breathe lengthen and the jaw soften. When it's mind noise, everything tighten. Next, a real work moment. Too many tasks, no order. The mind says, do everything now, or you are behind. The soul says, one honest step today. Let's do a quick test. Take one longer exhale. Does your chest feel roomier? That's soul sign. Here's the paradox. Slowing down leads to faster progress on the right board. We often believe more pressure equal more clarity. The cleaner truth, clarity, come from presence, not panic. What you can do today, right? One micro commitment. You will finish before noon. Let's make a boundary that's kind and clear. You are replying after a tense message. The mind says, say nothing or over explain. The soul says, kind and clear in one sentence. And do a body check. Can you breathe through the whole sentence without rushing? If yes, you are aligned. Strangely, firm can be warm. We often think trust must hurt. Actually, trust can be clean and kind. Here's a line you can use. I cannot do that, but I can offer this. Here's a money moment most of us know. You want a tool or course and guilt spiral? The mind says, if it is not perfect, you are irresponsible. The soul says, choose what's clean, learn, use, then refuse. Let's let's test it. Let's test it. Decide small and honest. Do your jaws often? Counterintuitive, counterintuitively, Counterintuitively, smaller clean step led. Mm. Counterintuitively, smaller clean step lead to more consistent growth than big anxious leap. Common myth: if it's aligned, it will be effortless. Sometimes alignment needs courage plus structure. Practically, set a budget, then a checkpoint date, breathe, then buy or pause. Now, a social scroll moment. Envy into action. You are scrolling and feel smaller. The mind says, you are late. Copy them. The soul says, mute. Then create one small thing today. Do a quick test. A soul made plan feel quieter. And you actually start. Here's the paradox. Less input lead to more output. We often think pressure fuel creativity, but presence fuel creativity. Daily step, mute once for 7 days, then make a 90-second draft now. It's 2 a.m. Let's choose sleep over spiral. The mind wants to solve your whole life. The soul say, longer exhale, one true line, sleep. Do body checks. After whisper the pin energy, relax, calm, peace. Do eyelids feel heavier or at least neutral? And the paradox is, surrender now leads to smarter choice tomorrow. And myth says, if I don't solve it now, it gets worse. Often it gets clearer after rest. Write a bedside note. I will solve a piece at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Not right now. 2 minutes to breathe and reset together. Sit or lie down. Inhale softly through your nose, then exhale longer through your mouth. Let thought moment, let feeling flow, and whisper, dear mind, you are free to think. I'm here with you. Dear feeling, you are free to flow. I'm here with you. Now say pin energy 3 times. Relax, calm, peace. Relax, calm, peace. Relax, calm, peace. And then ask, what is one honest step I can take today? Keep the simplest answer. This is a quick, real story from Singapore. A designer felt smaller every time she scrolled. One 90-second pin energy reset revealed a simple line. Less input leads to more output. She mute, feed for 7 days, and committed to a 90-second draft daily. By a week, by a weekend, she had a 5 prototype, and the envy softened into momentum. Quiet presence led to real progress. Notice how the body guided the choice. Longer exhale, softer jejak, simpler word. If you get stuck, try this. If you feel nothing, lengthen the exhale and relax the jaw. Sensitivity grows with practice. If anxiety spikes, whisper, I'm safe to go slower. Hand on chest. If tough race, Anchor one line. One honest step today. Now, 2 minutes to make it concrete. Write 3 prompts. What truth did my inner voice repeat? Where does my soul energy feel blocked or tired? What grounding step can I finish in 24 hours? Here's your daily start. Short and doable. Morning, take 5 slow breaths, then says pin energy once. Then choose one honest line for the day. At night, turn the phone off 15 minutes earlier. Then take 5 breaths. Then write 2 sentences. What worked and what I will keep. Let's recap in one breath. You drew a clean line between soul, voice, and mind noise. Practice the pin energy method as portable breathwork and turn insight into simple steps. If this helped, subscribe and share. One simple truth you are keeping today. Next up, boundaries with compassion. Script that keep your energy clean. Notice first, believe later. See you there. Live long and prosper, everyone.